MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this particular forex strategy on MetaTrader 5, and it cannot be used on the Rive platform. This particular strategy is made up of few indicators that I've combined together. On my chart here, I have the arrow indicators that does not repaint, and then number 2, I have the RSI indicator, and I have this moving average, and the last indicator is this particular FS2s that do give us the strength of each currency traded. Now that you know all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, let me show you how to use these winning tools. Number 1 thing you have to look out for is this RSI indicator. Once it's turned to lime color as we have it here, is a buy signal. And number 2 thing you have to look out for is this arrow indicator in the direction of this RSI indicator. Once you have the indicator, this arrow indicator in this direction, then the 2 condition is met, and the 3rd condition is to see if the candle close above the moving average, and here we have it, it did close above the moving average. And the last thing you have to check is this particular indicator, so that we will know the strength of each currency we are trading. Now let me show you on the AUD. On Australia dollar and US dollar, we have the bar here is longer than the second bar here. This is to tell us that AUD is stronger at this moment compared to USD. So this is what this particular indicator is meant for. So when you have all the signals generated by each indicator in agreement, then the next thing for you to do is to place your order as we have it here. This is a buy signal, and each time you see more arrow in the direction of the main trend, then you can place more trade. This arrow does not repaint, and this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want, but just make sure all the indicators are in agreement. Here we have a RSI indicator in agreement, and we have the second indicator, which is the arrow, in agreement also. The 3rd condition is for this candle to close above this moving average. So at this particular point, we have all the indicators in agreement. Then you can place your trade, and your stop loss will just be a few pips below the previous low. And each time you see the buy arrow here, you can place more trade if all the conditions still remain the same. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Let's look out for another set signal, which is the opposite of what I just explained right now. At this particular point, we have a RSI indicator turned to red, and here we have this arrow also, and the candle did close below the moving average, and this is the right point to place our trade for a sell. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want. The principle remain the same. Now let me show you all the indicators used for this particular strategy. I have the moving average here, and the period is 20. MA method is simple, and I apply to weighted close, and this is what you are going to use. And I use the yellow color, so you can use any color you want. And the second indicator is this super math profit indicator, and then here are the values and the colors, so you can set it up the way you want or how you want it. This arrow indicator, and the third indicator here that do give us the strength of the currency that we are trading, and these are the value for this particular indicator. And I use Ignition indicator just for this candle, this red and lime color candle. This is Ignition indicator. So here is SRSI indicator, and here are the values. Just make sure you set it up, but there's no need to stress yourself. In the video description, I do drop the link to download all this indicator and the template so that you have the same chart like mine. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. That's the only thing I need from you. Do not forget to turn on the notification button also, so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Do give me a thumb up, and do not forget the download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Just make sure you download it. It is free. Before you take any trade, please do check Forex Factory and see if the pairs you want to trade does not have news at that particular moment, and make sure you stay away 30 minutes before the news and 30 minutes after. And better still, you can stay away for the pairs for that particular day, since you have another option to pick from. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs. You can use this on indices like a US 100 cash, US 30 cash, and the likes. You can use this on the cryptocurrency also, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, BTC, Ethereum, Doji, and the rest. You can use this particular strategy. You can use this strategy on gold also, and do not forget that you can use this on stock. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do that right now, and do give me a thumb up. The only thing I need from you is your thumb up. Just like the video, and you may subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Till I come your way again, remember that this particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. Make sure you follow money management and trade on regulated forex broker so that you will not lose your money. In my video description, I drop some links to some of the regulated forex broker that I do use. Make sure you register with any of them. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.